Hey everybody, Jimmy here. Welcome to the channel. So today I want to show you a perfect pattern that showed up in the markets today. It was unbelievable. It worked beautifully. It went to a 2-to-1 target. So I was really excited to see it. I want to share with you the entry, the exit point. I want to show you where your stop loss should have been and ultimately how to kind of just manage this trade to its profit target. Also today, stay tuned to the very end of this video and I'm going to share with you the one stock that I'm going to be watching going into tomorrow's open. So stay tuned to the very end of this video and I'm going to share that one ticker symbol with you. So let's jump into the charts. Okay, we're in the charts here. So as you can see, I've got Delta Airlines, DAL, up on a daily chart. And this was the stock that showed an amazing setup this morning. And I'm going to break that down for you. So on this daily chart, the only line I have plotted is the 200 simple moving average. It's the one line that I've been finding over the last few videos that it really makes a big difference when you're trying to make decisions whether you're going long or short. So let's break it down. So you can see that yesterday it had a green day and then this morning we were gapping up. So the one thing that I'm looking at here is if this gap up is really close to this 200 SMA, then I'm going to need to see it break in order to consider a long position. But this morning it gapped up here and let's see where it opened, 52.85. So from 52.85, you had room for profit all the way up to close to $54, where this 200 simple moving average is. So that's kind of what you were playing with this morning in terms of room for profit. So if I flip from this over to the 5-minute chart, now get ready, it's going to blow your mind here. Look at this gorgeous 3-bar play. We gapped up this morning, put in a big igniting candle, breaking out above all pre-market activity. Let me go ahead and put that back in so you can see it. So any pre-market activity on for today, this candle started below the pre-market high, broke it, pushed all the way up, then had a beautiful resting doji candle of the opposite color, mind you. So it shows that the sellers pushed it back a little bit. You would place your order, your stop limit order to go long, you would place that right here at 53.36 or 53.37, 1 penny above, and your stop loss would be at 53.11 at the low of this wick. So stop loss here, stop limit order to go long above here. You got triggered in on this big candle after, and I apologize, not a 3-bar play, a 4-bar play. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Pushed up, and then let's do, so the high on this was 53.36, and the low is 53.12. So we're talking, call it 25 cents. And from there, if we go 50 cents higher from the high, would be 53.86 would be the 2-to-1 target, 53.86, and I'm going to draw that line basically right at 53.86, which would have been right there. Stop loss, entry, take profit, doubled your money by 7:55 Mountain Time, 9:55 Eastern Time. So first half hour of the market, and you'd have been done 2-to-1. Beautiful trade, completely gorgeous trade this morning. So I wanted to show that to you guys. The daily setup was good. When you look at the SPY, so the one thing that I'm learning about these is if you look at the SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF, to keep an eye on what's going on. This morning, the SPY had gapped up, but it was pushing right underneath the bottom side of this 200 SMA. So it made taking a long position sort of maybe uneasy because it wasn't breaking through, it was hung up. And so that was what was hard about trying to take the trade on DAL, Delta Airlines, is it was a long play when the market was struggling below that 200 SMA on the SPY. So it worked. It was perfect. And you know, if you'd have taken partial profit at 2 to 1, you'd have had a ride. I mean, it was just a very profitable trade. So great trade on Delta Airlines this morning. And as promised, I wanted to share with you guys the stock that I'm watching going into tomorrow's open. And that stock, wait for it, is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Now, this is the daily chart on AMD, and we talked about this in the Sunday stock pick video a couple days ago on why I like AMD and why I'm watching this stock going into tomorrow's open. So if you want to know the reasons behind it and what to watch on AMD, check out the video on Sunday for the Sunday stock pick. It should be maybe right in here somewhere showing up. I'm going to link it right here. Click that, watch that video, watch it to the end, get all the information on AMD, do your due diligence, see if it's a good trade for you, and then go get them. Thanks, traders. We'll see you tomorrow.